Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for having me right here on Munghana Lonene FM. You're listening to Kentom on the smooth sounds of Lathela with Mathilda, Chauke. The song is called Young Love. Young love, baby. Young love, baby. Hey. Young love, baby. I think I gotta tell you something. I think my heart is beating for you. I think it's time we celebrate. 2 glasses of champagne and the city lights. No care in the world, baby, it's just me and you tonight. Say me too young.
Can we know what love is, baby? But I've never felt this way before.
If this ain't love, somebody tell me what is my heart.
Stop beating when you walk out the door.
Baby, please, don't get me wrong. Oh, baby, my feelings never been this strong. Now that I got you trapped indoors, we'll be making love until the morning comes. No. It's that young love, baby. Thank you so much. This next track is a track I released called Echo. You'll find the music video on YouTube, so go check it out. Hey! Every time I close my eyes, I begin to fantasize all the times in you are mine. We need to make it right again. We need to build and fight again. You're my best friend. I promise it'll never end. I need to work on myself. I blame it on me. What could it mean? What it used to be. But it all was just a dream. Just some kind of fantasy. Only in the magazine. Your love is like gravity. Sing along with me if you know this, and I know you do. You're gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out, baby. All my love. You're gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out, baby. All my love. Early morning sunlight. Wake up to a pillow fight. I will laugh, you would bite. Can we live it again? Cherish every moment. Second chances, love ascensions. Can be amended with your consent? And I will work on myself. Your love is so pure. I was insecure. You deserve so much more. But it all was just a dream. Just some kind of fantasy. Only in the magazine. Your love is like gravity. Hey. Never let go. Then love bounce back like an echo. When I say yeah, you, I say yeah, an echo. You're gonna burn, gonna burn. You're gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out, baby. Oh my love. Gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out. Gonna burn out. Oh my love. Break it down, y'all. Maybe in another life, maybe we would fuss and fight. Give it up and never try. We gonna do our best though. This is my conquesto. It's your love I possess, so shine on, let it echo. This next song is called My Lamborghini. Don't take your love away. The road is my witness. I know you've noticed. I'm walking by a flower shop. I knows why I'm getting in. She prefers orchids, her daisies or roses. Strolling in the rain, I find myself strolling in the pain. What a lonely man, what a place to be. What a lonely man, what a place to be. What a lonely man, what a place to be. Don't take your love away. Sissy, can't you believe? Kaluthando wako. Abafana bafuna malamukini. Kaluthando wako. Flowers could make up for what I've done. Should I go or keep on talking? Should I stay or keep on walking? Life's been a living hell. Still I ring the doorbell. I find myself strolling in the rain. I find myself strolling in the pain. What a lonely man, what a place to be. What a lonely man, what a place to be, yeah. What a lonely man, what a place to be. Don't take your love away. Sissy can't dimele. The look I know I come. I'm fun, I'm a fool, I'm a Lamborghini. The look I know I come. Yeah, lele, don't take your love away. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this next track is called Follow. Hope you enjoy. Also, another music video, you can check it out. Featuring Eves by Yeza. Ahoy, DJ Timer Music. Siyanqama dingo wakho inhliziyo oluthando luxulu ngoba inhliziyo yami. We don't know where we're going, but we know this feeling. So let go, let it take control. Would you follow? Would you follow? Would you follow? Would you follow? So let go, let it take control. Would you follow, baby? Yeah. Thank you so much. This next song is called Coulda Shoulda, and this is off my latest album called Full Circle. Hope you enjoy. From my lips to your ears, you know how the song plays out. This will end in tears. I see you with your guard down, but just for a minute, baby, would you hold me like you used to? I know I'm crazy, too crazy to lose you. You and me in the sunrise, forever and ever. That's how we're supposed to be. Baby, I can't help myself every time I think about you and I, and all the love, and all the love that you brought into my world. I wish you were my girl. It is what it is, and what is meant to be will be, yeah. So now we just a coulda, shoulda, woulda, should have been. Now we just a coulda, shoulda, woulda, should have been. Baby, through the thick and thin, baby, through the weary bits, in through the arguments, said you'll always be by my side, even through the darkest days. And even when I'm not myself, I know I've hurt you, I'm sorry, I know it's too late, yeah. Hey, you and me in the sunrise, forever and ever. That's how we're supposed to be. Baby, I can't help myself every time I think about you and I, and all the love that you brought into my world, yeah, yeah, yeah. It is what it is. Thank you so much. And off the same album called Full Circle, this next track goes by the name of Jericho. I'll never let you go. Here we go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. My lady, where would I be? Where would I be? Don't stop me. I've fallen. Was blind, but now I believe. So that I did it. 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 When it comes to love, I'll be the vessel. Just call my name, I treat you special. Hey, I found my fire, burning deep down in your soul. I've seen the angels dancing just like Jericho. Said I'm never gonna let you go. my African daisy. Your grandeur persuades me. You color my awakening. God bless you. The day I found your love. So we gotta stay focused. Gotta trust the process. And let the sun shine in the gardens. So that I don't get it. So that I get it. So get it. Say my hand that I get it. So that I don't get it. So that I get it. So that it. When it comes to love, I'll put you first, baby. Just call my name. Hey, I found my fire burning deep down in your soul. Tell us I'm being. Hey, dancing. Hey, said I'm never, never gonna let you. Thank you so much. This next one is called Hold On To Whatever You Find. Said I'm not the man I used to be lately. See, you met me at an interesting time. And if my past is any sign of your future, you should be warned before I let you inside. Yeah. Hold on to whatever you find, babe. Hold on to whatever will get you through. Hold on to whatever you find, babe. I don't trust myself. Loving you. I will beg my way into your garden. Then I'll break my way out when it rains. Yeah. So I can get back to the place where I've started. So I can want you back all over again. I don't really understand. Hold on to whatever you find, babe. Hold on to whatever will get you through. Hold on to whatever you find, baby. I don't trust myself. Loving you. Ladies and gentlemen, this last track is also another favorite of mine called She Always Gets What She Wants by Prime Circle. One of my favorite South African groups, yo. Here we go. She comes around like a wildfire, like a moth drawn to her flame. Said I'm on my way to being burned out once again. Said I've been through this before 100 times or more. She keeps me coming back. What am I waiting for? She always gets what she wants. She always gets what she needs and more. She always counts out the coins that I'm playing. She always moves to the music she's making. She is my own. She moves to the sound of her own drum. One minute she's here, the next she's gone. I'm left to pick up the pieces of my heart and carry on. Said I've been through this before, like 100 times or more. She keeps me coming back. What am I waiting for? She always gets what she wants. She always gets what she needs and more. She always counts out the coins that I'm playing, yeah. She always moves to the music she's making. She is my own, oh. She is, yeah. Da 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 da. Hey. Da 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 da. 1, 2. Whoa. She always gets what she wants. Yeah. Thank you so much, Munghana Lonene FM. Thank you, Mathilda. Peace out.